Things you'll need: your design at 50% opacity, shrink paper designed for printing, an inkjet printer. Watch your art become alive. This print paper is by Afix. It's on Amazon. These your tog at the kind the tees meant for printing. That willa lou top are into knit. Cut out your design. You can use A8EG on to shrink the charm. Alternatively, you can use Ano Vento shrink the charm. You can use A8EG on to iron out small wrinkles. Use at inlay Euro Fouvraise in to seal your design. Use acrylic paint top paint the back of your design. Add a your Fouvraise into O's back.